How you doing today? Today I will show you how it looks around Jalan Poppies 1 and Jalan Poppies 2. General condition situation on the Jalan Poppies Lanes. That's the most famous small wee streets in Kuta, in Bali, where is the action, where is always so many restaurants, bars, tattoo shops. In general, it's a lot of people. It's just few days after New Year. It's actually in New Year 2021. So we will see how is the crack over there, how's the situation, how's the things. Also one thing, very small giveaway today. We would like to give to one person or couple full bucket of Bintang beer. Doesn't matter where you're coming from. Rules are very simple. You just have to like the video, subscribe our channel, and comment below in the comment section, when did you last time drink Bintang beer, or have you ever drink if you never been in Bali and somehow you're watching this video. Rules are very simple. Giveaway will finish next week at the same day, just 7 days after that. So comment below and good luck to everyone. One more thing before I gonna go jump to my bike and drive around Jalan Poppies. Probably many of you asking and thinking, why the f I'm wearing this fancy, very pinkish outfit. The situation was very simple. Was today all day long was rainy. Actually was raining here in Kuta maybe 20 minutes ago on the way when I'm coming here. So this morning when I drop off Winnie to work, the big rain catch us on the middle of the way. We stop in the shop in the Alpha Mart. Winnie went buy me the raincoat because we had only one raincoat for her. Actually usually we never use it, but it was very rainy. And we stop in Alpha Mart. Winnie went and she bring me this one, very pinkish one, very beautiful, only one left. But anyway, I appreciate so much. Still prefer wear this one, pinkish one, than get wet. You know how is it. All right, see you on the Jalan Poppies.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Get this one thing clear.